Do you know how to use passive voice in present continuous and present perfect? If not, stay with me. I'll show you how to in the next few minutes. Let's get started. So, we know that we use passive voice when the subject is actually not doing the work, instead, is receiving the action. For present continuous passive structure, we use subject and then is being or are being depending on singular or plural, and then the V3 form of the verb. For example, the car is being repaired. The house is being painted. For present perfect passive, we use subject and then has been or have been, and then the V3 of the verb. For example, the car has been repaired. The house has been painted. So we use it when an action is happening right now and we want to focus on the object receiving the action. So we know that we use present continuous when something is not done, not finished at the moment we are speaking. And if we want to focus on the object instead of the subject, that's when we use passive as well. For example, they are cleaning the room. This is an active sentence. The room is being cleaned. We can say by them, it's not necessary. So if we want to focus on the room, if we're more curious about the room, then we use the passive structure. For present perfect, we use it when an action is completed recently and we want to focus on the result or object. For example, she has completed the project, but we're interested more about the project. So we use passive. The project has been completed by her, not necessary. So let's look at some more example of present continuous form of passive. The book is being read by Sarah. The cake is being decorated. So we don't want to know who, we're more focused on cake. The room is being cleaned. For present perfect, when the work is actually done, finished, the book has been read by Sarah. The cake has been decorated. The room has been cleaned. So let's look at some more sentences. The car is being fixed. So someone is working on the car, but it isn't fixed yet. It's not completed. A new road is being constructed. Some people are constructing a new road which is not done yet. So we are more interested about the road. So we use passive. The floors are being mopped. The lawn is being mowed. So let's try to make some sentences depending on present continuous or present perfect. So for this one, we can say the office is being cleaned. The clothes have been ironed. So we can use any of the tense here. So if we want to mean that it's happening, not done, not finished, we use present continuous. If it's finished, we use present perfect. For example, the door paint. If it's done, we'll use the door has been painted. The windows are being washed. The car is being repaired. The walls has been painted. The trees are being trimmed. They have been invited to the meeting. I can't use my computer at the moment. It is being fixed. We didn't attend the conference. We weren't invited. The TV was broken, but it's okay now. It has been fixed because it's okay now. The TV was fixed yesterday afternoon. A museum is a place where artifacts are displayed. It's like a general truth. So we are using present simple here. How old are these monuments? When were they constructed? Is the printer being used at the moment? Yes, John is using it. I've never heard of these songs before. What are they called? My wallet was stolen at the mall yesterday. The park is closed at the moment. It was damaged last week and it hasn't been repaired yet. So in today's video we saw how to use passive voice in present continuous and present perfect. So for present continuous we use is being, are being, and V3. For present perfect we use has been or have been and V3. We use present continuous to talk about things that are not done, not finished at the moment. And for present perfect, it's finished. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good one.